students, welcome to Let's Understand Physics. In this video we will see conduction activity in the heat chapter. So the heat transfer will be done in the metals by method called conduction. So all metals are conducting materials for the heat energy. So for the heat energy I am using one candle, and for metal I have taken one chisel with iron rod. Okay, so you can use steel or aluminium rods or scale also, so that you can see how metals conduct heat energy. Now for this activity I have taken one scale, so that see this rod is almost 15 centimeter. I am taking markings on this rod with equal distances, that is from 3 centimeter. First mark is at 3 centimeter, second is at 6 centimeter, then 9 centimeter and 12 centimeter. 4 markings I have taken. On these 4 markings, by using this candle, we will take candle pieces and stick on this. How to take? Now see here, this candle is also measuring 5 centimeter. So you can cut 1 centimeter piece. Now see here, for cutting I am just cutting in the middle of the candle, then again make it half, so that you have the small candle into 4 pieces, each is 1 centimeter length. Now take this candle and light it. Then keep it on a table. Then these 4 pieces we have to stick on this iron rod. So for this you can use this tongs. Hold like this, heat it and then stick it on this line. You can do with the hand also, but while doing with the hand you have to be very careful. Otherwise use like this tongs, it will be very easy for you to stick and it will not harm you. Then after sticking these 4 candle pieces, now why I am using this iron, aluminium, steel, all of these are conducting materials and they will allow the heat to pass through them. This chisel has wooden handle. I have taken this chisel because wooden handle will not allow the heat to pass through it, so that we can hold this for the activity. If there is any problem, if there is no wooden handle or plastic handle, you can use 2 cement blocks, so that you can place the metal rod between them, or if you have any stand you can keep it on that. Okay, now see I have stuck all 4 candle pieces on this chisel. Now you understood, I think, what is conducting material and what are non-conducting materials. Now see how heat is conducted in this experiment on this iron rod. Now see here, I am touching this iron to the candle flame. So now here candle flame is the source of heat energy for us, so that what it does, it will make the temperature of the chisel rise. The temperature of the iron will be rising, and from this hot end where the flame is touching the chisel, the heat will be passing to the other end. Till here it passes. Now let's see what happens here. The same thing happens when your mother is cooking. Your mother will put some vessel on the flame, isn't it? Not only the bottom of the vessel, the top of the vessel also will become hot, its temperature also rises. How the temperature of the top, the vessel's top also rises, you will understand with this activity. Now see, the candle piece has fallen down. So why it has fallen down? The heat energy is passing through this conducting material from the hotter end where it is touching the flame to the colder end where it is not touching. The heat transfer will be done from this hotter end to the colder end by the heat transfer from the molecule to the molecule. Now all the metals are made by the molecules, you know, right? Now molecule to molecule means you can just assume that it is 15 centimeter we have already measured. In 1 centimeter, if there is one molecule, the second centimeter will have other molecule. So the first centimeter molecule will get heated up and then it will transfer the heat to the second centimeter molecule. Okay, like that the second centimeter molecule also will transfer the heat to the third centimeter molecule. Like that all the molecules till the 15 centimeter gets heated up. Now initially the candle piece which is at 3 centimeter has fallen down. That means the heat transfer has been till 3 centimeter. Now the second one will fall down which is at 6 centimeter because the heat randomly will not pass. It passes to the next molecule itself. So that first it will fall down, then it will fall down. If I touch here, I am feeling hot. So it has fallen down. Have you observed? Like that the third piece and then fourth piece also will fall down accordingly in the same time. That's why we have pasted these pieces at the same place. So I hope everybody understood this conduction activity. Please like the video, share to the students those who are studying 7th standard Cbse and comment if you have any doubt so that I will make video on those concepts. Thank you. Subscribe.